Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween candy cupcakes. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 box of chocolate cake mix plus all the ingredients on the back to make that. So mine is 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Then you are going to need some candy, of course, some candy bars. So I am using 6 of the Kit Kat Thins, 1 Hershey bar, and then a whole pack of Whoppers. The Whoppers I actually put in my Nutribullet and pulsed, so they are really fine crumbs, but the other ones I just kind of broke up with my hand. And then you need some frosting. I thought this funfetti frosting, the orange for Halloween would be nice with the sprinkles on top. And then you need some cupcake liners. So I bought these at Dollar Tree. I thought they were super cute, and they come with these really cute little picks to put on the top. So it's going to be the perfect Halloween cupcake. So go ahead and get started per the back of your box. Mine says to preheat my oven to 350, and then of course put your cupcake liners in if you have not already done that. And then go ahead and chop up your candy. So like I said, I pulsed my Whoppers in the Nutribullet, and the rest of it I just broke up with my hand. I'm not sure if that's going to be enough, but that looks like quite a bit to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cake mix started. All right, now in a large bowl, I have my cake mix, my eggs, my water, and my vegetable oil, and I'm just going to beat that on medium speed with an electric mixer for 2 minutes. All right, that looks nice and mixed to me. So next I'm going to just pour in my candy pieces and just mix that to combine. All right, all my pieces of candy are in there, so we are just going to go ahead and fill up our cupcake liners to probably 2/3 of the way full and get those into the oven for 18 to 21 minutes. All right, all my cupcake liners are filled and ready to go into the oven at 350 for 18 to 21 minutes. All right, my cupcakes are out of the oven. I let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then I moved them to the cooling racks to cool completely, and they look so yummy. So now I just opened up my frosting and put it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut the tip off and pipe it onto all of my cupcakes. All right, all of my cupcakes have been frosted. Some of it I piped on, and the rest of it I piped on, but then I spread it out with a butter knife. Since I'm using the sprinkles, I just thought that would look better, so I did it both ways so you can see which one you like the best. Now I just opened up my sprinkles, and I'm going to put some on top of each of the cupcakes. All right, all my cupcakes have been frosted, sprinkled, and my little Frankenstein and bats have been added to them, and they look adorable. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, we have one for little Taste Tester to taste here. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy Halloween.